Welcome to the Live Ready Survival Base Camp.
The thought of learning survival skills can be really intimidating, and I want to remove that element of intimidation. Nobody's born with all the skills or knowledge, and all of us are learning on a daily basis, and we can learn from one another as well.
Starting this year, the Live Ready channel will be hosting various survival skills courses right here in our South African backyard. How's it going? Well, it's always nice to run into friends. Survival skills can be learned by anyone. You don't have to have a special background or any previous experience to join one of the Live Ready courses.
In this day and age, it's equally important for us to know how to use something like a battery and some gum paper to make fire, as it is for us to know how to make a friction fire.
Or have enough resistance that it creates heat. Okay. Cut a part out here. You guys open the gum, there's nothing funny about this paper, okay? It's not a magic trick. If I've done this right, the minute I press the foil onto the two terminals, this is going to burst into flames.
The circumstances that you find yourself in could vary so vastly that you really need to be prepared for anything. You really need to live ready for any eventuality. Extreme survival situations are great for practicing skills and for confirming the skills that you have, but they're not necessarily conducive to learning those skills in the first place.
Okay. Who else wants to try?
For that reason, Live Ready can tailor courses to your needs, depending on what your current skill level is.
The fire reservist has come to make a bow drill fire. Hey,
Learning survival skills should be fun. We should be enjoying the outdoors, and we should have plenty of laughs while we're at it.
Hang on a sec.
Oh, we have a fire reference.
We have lots of fun around here.
Not every survival skills course needs to be geared towards extreme survival. So on our survival skills courses, we include skills from both urban survival and wilderness survival.
If you're looking to acquire wilderness skills before your next hike into the bush, or if you're looking to host a corporate event such as a team building or your year-end function,
Live Ready can tailor a course to your needs.
Remember to check out the Live Ready website, and you can mail me as well if you've got any special requests. That sounds really bad.
Yeah. If you've got any special requests,
If you've got special requests
on my DM at Clarice at a very good time.
That's it. Scrape nice long scrapes. Yeah. Okay. Immediately it starts turning, hey?
So learning these skills, as well as practicing them in the wilderness, should be fun, but it should also allow for personal growth.
And if you feel like it's not a strong enough magnet, then you can take the needle out and you can scrape on it some more.
Survival ties in with preparedness. We need to have taken the time to learn the skills as well as acquire the gear that we need to survive in any circumstances, whether that's urban or rural.
If you'd like a course that's tailored to your needs or a bespoke event, send me a mail. I'll leave my email address in the description to the video. Does that sound bad too? No.
No.
If you've got Dills, hang on. Until the next time, Live Ready.
I was getting smoked. Oh man, I was getting it.
You're all in my camera frames.
I could show you a lot of ways not to make a fire.
All right, we've had a lot of fun. Now we're done. Until the next time, Live Ready.
What is kind of broken?